In this video, I'll show you how to use Metatrader 5 on your PC. So Metatrader 5 on the PC can be a little more intense than it is on the mobile version. And so I just wanted to show you some of the basics. Do forgive me if this gets a bit all over the place. I kept thinking of new things to show you. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. First things first, let's get logged in, right? So what you want to do is go to File on the top left-hand corner and then click on Open an Account. In here, you're going to search for your broker. Unless you are just using a demo account, then you'll just use the meta quotes. Click Find Your Company. Click on your specific company. So let's just say Exynos CY and click Next. Now, if you are on meta quotes, you click on Open a Demo Account. But if not, you'll just either click Open a Real Account or connect with an existing account, put in your login, your password, and then if it's a real or a demo account for the server, and then click on Finish. Now, important, if it says netting up on the top here and makes like a weird frog sound, you are not logged in, you've put in one of your details incorrectly, go back to begin. However, if it looks like mine does over here, you are good to go. Alright, so you can X out of any window that you put up here. So if it starts to get cluttered, you can remove certain windows. And here you've got your full-on market watch, but if you click on View, you'll be able to see all of these options here, and it's best you get acquainted with their shortcuts. If you do end up removing something and you want it back, you can come into View, or you can just put in its specific shortcut. Okay, now that we know how to get that going, let's say we want to open a specific chart for a specific symbol. What we can do is go to the little chart drop down here. This is Create a Chart, and we can choose any of these options. These are ones we've previously opened, or we can go to a specific category like metals, and let's just open XAEUR, and that'll open up a chart. Or you can look for the symbol here, right click, and press Chart Window. Oh, another thing that I just thought about is, let's say we don't want all these symbols here. You can just right click and hide all. And if you want all your symbols back, you can just right click and press Show All. Alternatively, if you want a specific symbol, you can click on the plus icon and just start to type in what you're looking for, and you'll get a list of predictions. Find what you're looking for, press Enter. Alright, okay, now let's fiddle with one of our charts over here. So this chart looks pretty ugly. What we're going to do is right click on our chart. Now you have a ton of different customization options in here, from candlesticks to bar chart, line chart, different time frames. Oh, this one will be important later. We can create specific templates so we can immediately open them when we need them. We can remove the grid. We can obviously add the grid back and so much more. But if we want to get really fancy, what we can do is go into Properties. Now here in Properties, we'll usually be brought to the Colors tab, and we can pretty much customize the color of damn near everything. So that looks pretty wild, but it looks a lot better than our previous option. We can also click into Show over here, and we can show certain things that aren't originally on the chart, like asking price, period separators, things like that, and just click OK. Oh, another thing that I was thinking of, if you right click in Market Watch, you might notice I have more columns than you. So what you want to do is just right click and scroll down to columns, and here you'll see a whole bunch of different columns you can add to your taste, as well as we can change from symbols, details, and trading, all inside of the Market Watch tab here. Alright, back to that template thing. So we customized our chart. Now we can right click, click into templates, and save template, name it something memorable, and just hit save. Now let's say I open a completely different symbol. I can just right click on that specific symbol go into my templates and just click on my quick insert right over there. And there we go. All right, enough of that. Now, if we right click on a specific symbol, we can also click on new order. And here you can fully set up your order, stop loss, take profits, and then you can sell and buy and so forth. Oh, one other thing I was thinking of is in insert, you can insert certain indicators into your charts. So just find the specific indicator you're looking for, click on it, adjust its parameters, hit OK. Another thing that just came to mind is here on the top, we have all our drawing tools. So these could come in handy. So maybe you need to draw a vertical line, just click, and maybe you need to draw a horizontal line, same situation. And then you have tons more drawing options on the top here. And guys, I think that is all I've got for you. I don't want this video to be half an hour long. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.